Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk to you about a big objection that people have before they come into our program, all right? For those of you who don't know what we do, I own two businesses. One is a pay-per-lead agency. We deliver leads to clients on a pay-per-lead basis. They might order 100 leads from us at $50 a lead, and then we deliver the leads for 25 or less, and the difference is our profit margin. It's a very simple, elegant business model. Okay, I also have another business where we teach people how to do that, to move from retainer contracts and lower value clients to working with the bigger clients with deeper pockets and more appetite for lead volume. Okay, so I have some experience here, and I also know that a lot of people, when they're thinking about joining us, have this question. What happens if a client orders 100 leads and pays us up front for those leads, which most of the time they do? What happens if I can't deliver the leads? Or what happens if they're paying $50 a lead, they cut a check for $5 grand, and it costs me $6 grand to deliver those leads? Okay, that's $1 grand loss. And yeah, sometimes, very rarely this might happen. Okay, this is a high risk, higher risk, higher reward game. Okay, but there's ways we mitigate this risk, which I'm going to talk about in a second. Right, the first thing is that within our program, we give you our funnels that we use within my own agency, okay? And these, I've seen so many people holding up their little plaque of, their ClickFunnels plaque of $1 million through their funnel or whatever. We're over eight figures for paid traffic and value that have been put through these funnels when you take into account how much we've been paid per lead. Actually, we're well over 8 figures. So these funnels have had a lot of traffic pointed at them, and they convert. Okay, so within our program, we give these to you so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. All right, so that mitigates the kind of whether or not the funnel is going to work and generate high quality leads issue. All right. The second thing is that we teach multiple ad networks. Okay, everyone knows what's going on with Facebook. Can be expensive, can have your ad account shut down. It's a bit of a nightmare with everything that's going on with Cambridge Analytica and all of that, all those scandals. Zuck's getting hit hard. And we saw the writing on the wall a few years ago, and we've diversified to YouTube, Twitter, Google Display Network, and different ad platforms that are going to help you mitigate this risk as well, so you don't have all your eggs in one basket. The next one is you can begin with a hybrid model, and this is what we recommend for new students with zero experience within a new industry. Okay, we would say you need to negotiate a hybrid deal. Okay, so we have ways to reach out to a client, and we have a sales script for this where we teach our students to be able to get the client to cover the ad spend. They use our funnel templates to build the funnel for the client on their behalf, and we say, Mr. Client, how about you stump up $5 grand worth of ad spend? We'll deliver the leads, and we just get paid on a back end when one of the leads converts into a customer for you. Okay. And it might not sound that attractive, but it can be very attractive. It's worked out very well for us, and we still do it today, all right? But the beauty of this model is that you're learning on other people's dime. You're learning on other people's money, and it means that once you have the funnel dialed in and the ads working, the ad network's working, you're able to go to other clients in their industry. You're able to go to their competitors, and that's when a pay-per-lead business will absolutely blow up, okay? Last one, niche within a niche, all right? Take some of the big lead gen verticals. It could be life insurance, for example. So it'd be crazy to start trying to do lead generation saying, writing an ad and building a funnel that says, get the cheapest life insurance quote from $9 a month, click here and we'll compare the market for you and send you the best deal, okay? It's not really going to work unless you have that kind of ad copy in Google search, all right? It's too big, too competitive, the lead costs are going to be expensive, and you're going to lose money, frankly, all right? It's just too big. You don't need to enter these markets at that level. So what we teach is to go into a sub-niche, all right? Is there a different part of the market or segment of the market that is more receptive to the ad copy if you speak to them directly? Is there a slightly different life insurance product which not many people know about that has a better hook? We have multiple people in our group doing, well, yeah, probably multiple now, doing 6 figures a month in income protection insurance, which you don't see advertised as much. There's lots of different ways that you can enter into these markets where you don't have to compete with the big boys, and that's what we teach you within the program. And then, you know, there's another couple of things that will help you along the way, but the main thing is that it's very, very rare for you to be able to enter a new market if you follow our processes and our training and not be able to deliver the leads for them. In fact, I can probably count on one hand the number of times that we haven't been able to deliver the leads, including our students. I hope you enjoyed this video. If, as I said, if you're new to this, you know, to my videos and my content, then we'll have a case study on how to grow a massive pay-per-lead agency, all right? How to do everything from land the clients all the way through to writing the ad copy and the creatives and delivering the leads. It's all within the free case study. It's below this video. Enjoy. Speak soon.